also right. All right, let's check in with Ben. Now, usually, the afternoon of fireworks, we are waiting for some rain or storms to pass through, or at least the possibility.
That's what it seems like. You're right. But it looks like we're finally going to break that streak. Fingers crossed, dare I say, Ben?
Yeah, I think we're smooth sailing tonight, guys. No nervous phone calls from folks wondering what's going to happen just after the sun goes down. It is going to be picture perfect. And I know for you folks who are going to be several stories up watching this tonight here at the station, the wind is not going to be an issue this evening either. So let's take a look outside. It is beautiful right now. We've got a lot of sunshine. Temperatures have been in our corner. 78 outside, and that dew point only in the upper 50s. Very dry air, but that is going to change as we head towards the middle of this week. In fact, later tonight, we'll go into the noticeable category after everybody goes to bed, waking up with muggy conditions and going into Tuesday afternoon, and then that's going to continue for most of the work week. Cold front comes through Thursday, and that's going to change things for Friday and going into the Labor Day weekend. Hard to believe we're already at that point in the year. August is just about done. Of course, today, the last day of the month. A little bit more red than blue as far as temperatures go, more above average than below. We were just about a little bit more than a degree above average for the 31 days this month. And the rainfall was a much different story because of that deluge that we got last week. That took our monthly total to 5.99 inches. In fact, that is almost double or more than double what we would typically see in a August here in Detroit. It puts us at the 12th wettest on record. And so we could use some dry conditions, but unfortunately, we've got a few chances of rain going forward. Tropical Depression 15 is a thing off the Carolina coast, but it is moving away from us. Will likely become Tropical Storm Nana later tonight or early tomorrow as it departs away from the U.S. So here are thunderstorm chances tomorrow afternoon, right in the heart of the afternoon, 3-4 o'clock. We'll see those storms pop along that cold front. Some downpours possible with that, and maybe some gusty winds, although the strongest storms should stay to our south. Maybe some lingering rain early Wednesday, but then again on Thursday as a cold front comes through, we'll see another chance of rain. Then we go dry and much cooler for the upcoming holiday weekend. 62 on the low side tonight. High temperatures are going to be noticeably warmer tomorrow. In fact, a lot of us getting into the 80s, but remember we've got that front coming through, so the warmest are going to be on the east side. Metro zone, one of the warm spots. South zone, you'll be around 82 there towards the lake, 70s in parts of Lenawee County. West zone, a lot of 70s there. A little bit earlier start on some of the showers, keeping temperatures down, and mid to upper 70s to low 80s there in the north zone tomorrow. Temperatures will stay above average at least through Thursday, and then things do start to improve. Does look like we've got shower and thunderstorm chances on Labor Day Monday for the holiday, but guys, going into that Saturday and Sunday look fantastic, whether you're going to be here or up north this weekend.
Very good. Okay, Ben, thank you. Let's check in with Victor.